Good morning, students. So let us start with our lesson number 1, where to look from. So here a teacher told all the students to draw a picture of a car. So on the next day when they came with their drawing, they all were very excited. Now Anshu started laughing. Anshu told that this is looking like a small box kept in a bigger one. So Dheeraj told that he has seen this car from the terrace. Here you can see both the drawings, Anshu's drawing and Dheeraj's drawing. Dheeraj's drawing is looking like a box and Anshu's drawing is looking like a car. So if you see this car from the top, it will look like a box, and if you will see this car from the side, it will look like a car. So both the picture is correct. So now you can see another picture of table. So first picture of table is seen from the side view and second picture of table is seen from the top. So it is looking like a box. Both the picture is of table only, but it looks different. Yes, same way here some pictures are given. So first 4 pictures are seen from the side. So it looks different. And the same thing, it is seen from the top. Same picture, but it looks different. So on the next page, here some things are given and you have to see that this from where it is seen. So first one, staircase. So first picture of staircase is seen from the side. So it looks different. And the same staircase, second picture, you can see from the front view. It looks different. Both the picture is of staircase, but it looks different. Same way table. Table is seen from the top. Next, chair. Chair is seen from the side view. Pencil. Pencil is seen from the top. It looks only, it is, you can see only dot is there. Next one, bus. So you can see a proper bus. So it is seen from the side view. Next one, you have to draw 3 pictures that is seen from the top views. 2 already I have drawn. You can draw another one. Next page. Here some drawings are given. 2 pictures of Rangoli is given. On the dots, using dots, you have to draw any other drawing, any other Rangoli patterns using dots. You can see I have drawn 4 pictures. So you can draw other 4 also, any 4, whichever you know. Next page. Here some patterns are given. Some are straight lines, some are curved lines. Here 6 patterns are there. The same drawing you have to draw downside. You can see I have drawn. So you have to draw in your textbook. Same patterns. 6 patterns are there. Next page. Here dot grid is given. You have to draw your own designs and shapes. You can draw any designs, any shapes, whichever you know, whichever you like. You can see I have drawn some of the designs. You can draw these designs also and any other designs also in your textbook. Next question, complete this figure to make squares and rectangles. 2 line, darken line already it is given, and the same line you have to draw on the opposite side. So you can complete these figures. You can see some are rectangle and some are squares. Next one, your dot grid is given and 6 things are given: kite, leaf, flower, boat, star, pot. So you have to draw these 6 things in the dot grid. You can see I have drawn 6 things on the dot grid. You can also draw in your textbook. Next page. So here you can see the painter has drawn some pictures. That is only the half, and half you have to complete, and you can see the full picture. You can draw also on the same side, same design, half design, so you will get the full design. Otherwise you can put there mirror also, so you will get the full picture. Next one, you can see that 3 pictures are given that we have to see, that is same mirror half or not. No, that picture is not mirror half, because that picture doesn't divide into 2 equal parts, same parts. Next one, here space is given, and there you have to draw some pictures that cannot be divided into two similar mirror half. You can see I have drawn first one knife, kite and letter F, so that three pictures does not divide into two parts. Same way you can draw any other picture also. Next page, here some pictures are given and you have to see that dotted lines divide that picture into two parts, two equal parts or not, that is similar mirror half or not. First one, you can see the dotted line divides that shape into two similar mirror half, so I have ticked there. Second one also is dividing, so I have ticked there. Third one is not dividing into two similar mirror half, so I have crossed there. Fourth one also it is not dividing into two parts, so I have crossed there. Other you can do by yourself. On that there you have to tick and cross which one is not dividing, that you have to cross. Next one, give some more examples. So you can see that I have drawn 4 pictures that is dividing into two similar mirror half. You can draw other shapes also, other designs also. Next page, here some pictures are given and you have to divide that pictures into two similar mirror half using the dotted line. You can see I have done first 4 picture is dividing into two similar mirror half. Same designs, same shape, both the sides should be there. The next line, first one is dividing, second one is not dividing because the shape is different. One side handle is there, second side handle is not there. So that picture can't divide into two similar mirror halves. So same way you have to do the same in your textbook. Next page, can you guess these letters from their half? Now here some letters are given, that is only the half page is bended, so we have to guess the full letter. So you can see we can keep their mirror also near that half letter, you will get the full letter. Otherwise you can draw also. You can see I have drawn and I got the full letters. Next one, guess the words by looking at their half. So here some words are given, half letters are given and you have to guess the full word. So first one is how, second one is wax, third one is cooked and last one is dies. So you can see I have got the full words. You can do by using drawing or you can keep their mirror also. So you have to do this in your textbook. Making a mask. So now here you can do mask at your home. Your steps are given. Take a piece of paper, fold that piece. On the one side draw the designs, draw face, cut that shape, open that page, draw that same figure on the next side and tie a rubber band. So you will complete with your mask. Now here we are ending with our lesson, and in your notebook you have to write 2 to 15 table. In your notebook you have to write